Noresca, Medesa, Mense, Noresca, Medesa, Mense. That was my life. That was what Jason wanted me all the while to let me other good words for him to assist us golden sea. Yes, I gave him my love. But what did he return to me? Huh? The Arrogant knew me after all the way. They knew I had dark knowledge of the magic in this ancient world. But God is God of love stupid. He made me dip and fell in love with Jason. Again, what did you return to me? Jason knew me. I had made him a magic item so that no harm could be done to him. But again, what did you return to me? My name was during this ancient Greece. My father went well to lull the serpent guarding the golden fleece. Oh, that was the easiest.
Oh.
I also prayed for a hidden food to destroy silence. That was chicken.
Chicken?
And once Jason grabbed the steak before, was treasuring his father alive and used again. But I questioned myself again, what did he return to me? Jason didn't marry me. Yes, that's why I'm like this. I don't even know if what he had shown me was for real. I hate him. I hate him. I despise Jason. That's why I killed his bride. I gave her a rose. And note to her that she was immediately enveloped by fire. She was screaming and screaming, but none could even help her. Ha ha ha! And because of Jason, I also killed my father. For this reason, I wish the strange forest of peak of Mount Olympus, where the person named Jason is, help me and answer my prayer. God and God.